We're tracking our next round of severe storms this afternoon and then into the overnight hours. We have a moderate risk here highlighted in red that extends anywhere from Woodward all the way into Oklahoma City. And then outside of that, that enhanced risk in orange. So the likelihood of storms is pretty strong in these areas. Let's talk about timeline here. These storms could start as early as 3 o'clock out in the Oklahoma-Texas panhandle, crossing that state line by the mid-afternoon hours, and then continuing into central Oklahoma right as we reach sunset. So 7 to 10 o'clock anywhere from Clinton all the way over to Seminole, including Oklahoma City, Enid, and Ardmore. And then after 10 o'clock, crossing I-35 and tracking out to the east into the early morning hours on Friday. Now, this is an all hazards event, so here's what I want you to be watching out for today. Make sure that you have multiple ways to receive those alerts because we do have that tornado risk on the board for this evening. We could also see wind up to 90 miles per hour and baseball-sized hail, so if you have time, go ahead and pull that car into the garage. Now, what about Oklahoma City? This is kind of zoomed down just for Oklahoma City. What are we expecting for the metro here? Timing-wise, I'd say anywhere right before sunset all the way into the late night hours, so 7 to 10 o'clock I think is your best bet to get some of these storms in here. But of course, we have your full predictor. We'll get that for you this morning from 4:30 to 7 and then again at 9 on KOCO.